Hey guys, this is Fundo on Phakade. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Monday, Lulu tells Kokumjali she has an interview with Shongololo Oi. She arrived at the day early to try and make a good impressions and speaking an agreement between Zagiti and Noxol. Tuesday, Buhle test the result came back positive for trans, and he family decides to get her court order to send her to rehab, but she falls with Zanzel. Wednesday, Mambani tries to kill Menz, but Menz skillful turn the table and distracts Mazulu asks for help to find Buhle while Shari insulates that the Bengus are now on the Mapumulo side when she learns Buhle has run off with Zenzel. This day, blood spills and Menzi has Mambani returns and he wants answer Lulu is boy and they is shocked because no one picked it up. Friday, two stars completely for one man as Sebenzile advised Phakade to kick Madonsela out of the house. When Luandile tell Lolo he want her to meet her parents and love is in the air. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.